Hi everyone, welcome to the third video of Tosca error series in which we are going to discuss about the error unestablished connection to the browser or could not find HTML document. Now as we were doing in the previous videos, we'll be trying to recreate this error and I'll be telling you the root cause, why this happens and how to solve it. So to explain this, I'm just using a very basic two-step uh, automation script to explain the problem. So we are going to launch Edge browser and we are going to launch this website saucedemo.com. We are just going to enter username, password and click on login. Okay. Now I have already scripted that. So let me go to my Tosca automation and here you see I have two steps. One is your open URL in which I'm passing the URL and second one in which I'm filling in the input credentials and clicking on login button. Okay. Now let's run this and this is going to give us the error and then I'm going to explain you what all possible reasons it could happen. Now the failure will obviously depend on how the synchronization timings are set, but yes, we got the failure. Let's analyze the failure. So in the login info section, as you can see, it is saying could not find HTML document swag labs with the following properties. And if I click on these three dots, it is going to give me the information. Now there could be a scenario in which this tab is not open, but if we investigate it, we see that this tab is open as well as it is saying the same name, but still it is not able to find it. Okay. Now here it is saying, if we further read it, the browser could not be found. Please check if you have opened the browser and prepared it accordingly to the documentation. We have opened the browser, but what is the issue? Okay. Now, in this specific case, if you go to the details section, you'll be able to see unestablished connection to the browser. And then if you click on this, you'll be able to see a whole lot of details here. Okay. Now, this has less chances of happening, but it though happens sometimes. So whenever we are running into any issues like this, we have to see this angle as well. Okay. Now, specifically what I have done is I have removed the extension. Okay. But the first step was just launching the browser and launching this URL. So it does not matter because it is not performing any operation on the browser. So that's why the first step is working. But the second step is not able to work because you need the Tricentis automation extension for you to communicate with the browser and perform your actions. That is like a middle layer, if you wouldn't want to understand in that way, that it is enabling us to talk to the browser. So now if I go to my extensions, manage extensions, and here I will just search for this extension, get extensions for Microsoft Edge, and I'll just write Tosca Automation extension for Edge and I'll install it. Now there could be one scenario in which this extension is present, but even though you are getting the same error. Now that sometimes happens if your extension gets corrupted somehow. Okay. So in that case, you have to remove the extension and reinstall the extension, close the browser, open it, and then try it out. And hopefully that should resolve your issue. Okay. Now let's run this again and we'll see. Now, why does the extension gets deleted or corrupted? There could be several reasons. There may be certain security things which are blocking it. Maybe certain updates have happened in your browser or a number of things which could possibly kick off that issue. Okay. Now, another thing which you have to note is whenever the extension is there, always make sure that if you click on this, it is having all the permissions. This can read and change site data on all sites, and this permission should be there. Now, if I open it in a separate window when nothing is open, okay, now you will not be able to see this, but at least load any website and then try to see. And if you're able to see the permissions like this, uh, you should be able to do it without any issues. I hope this helps. In the next video, we are going to talk about another error, and do follow along, do like, share and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.